Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome back to my channel Dr. Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet belt. This belt can be used as a bag strap or any other way you can use. It's very beautiful and colorful. Instead of using boring same color or simple belts, you can use this multicolored belt or any color of your choice. So let's start how to make this beautiful belt. For making this belt, first of all we need a crochet hook. I am using 4mm crochet hook with some buckles, any kind of buckles you can use. I am using these buckles. Yarn, I am using multicolor yarn. You can use single color yarn as well, it's up to you. So let's start. This buckle, insert hook in this buckle and grab the yarn and make a single crochet that can be worked as a single knot. Now instead of working with this yarn, I am leaving this yarn behind and working with this extra yarn that I have left. Now insert hook, grab the yarn, make a single crochet and leave the loop on the hook. Again, keeping this yarn with work and working with this extra yarn, keeping this yarn between this chain and working with this extra yarn. So again, insert hook, grab the yarn and make one single crochet. Insert hook, grab the yarn, one single crochet, leaving loops on the hook. Instead of complete single crochet, I am leaving the loop on the hook. Here I have made 4 loops. Again, grab the yarn, make one single crochet, grab the yarn, one single crochet, leaving loops on the hook, and this is the last one. Now here I have made 7 single crochets, leaving loops on the hook. Now keeping this back side and working with this main loop. Grab yarn over and grab the yarn, pull through first loop. You can see how I have worked. Yarn over, pull through first loop, make one chain, again pass through next loop, chain 1, pass through 1 loop, chain 1, pass through loop, chain 1, pass through, chain 1, pass through, chain 1 and pass through chain 1. You can see how I have made. Now insert hook in this space between 2 loops. Insert hook, grab the yarn, again make one single crochet and instead of complete single crochet, leaving loop on the hook. Insert hook, grab the yarn, make one single crochet and leave the loop on the hook. Continue with the same pattern, leaving loop on the hook. Insert hook, grab the yarn and leaving loop on the hook. You can see we have all 7 loops on the hook. Make yarn over, pull through the loop, chain 1, again pull through a loop, chain 1, pull through next loop, chain 1, pull through, chain 1, pull through the loop, chain 1 and chain 1. You can see how easy it is. Insert hook, grab the yarn, we have all 7 loops on the hook. Now see how I made this. See how it is simple. Chain 1, again following the same pattern. Now you can see how does it look. Now from back side it looks like this. So this belt can be used from both sides, from right and the back side as well. It's very simple. I hope you will like my pattern and will try yourself. It's very simple and easy to make. You can use any color of yarn of your own choice. I'm using this multicolored yarn. So I hope you will like my pattern. Now I'm going to show you how to attach this on end with this buckle. So work keep this buckle with work instead of using. I'm going to make chain 1 this, insert hook from here and here, chain 1, insert hook from the space between 2 stitches and pass through this buckle. Then grab the yarn, make 1 single crochet, leaving loop on the hook, following the same pattern, just working with this buckle. Now complete working with all these 7 stitches, keeping all the loops on the hook. Now you can see I have attached this. Now again following the same pattern. Now you can see I have attached this on this side. Now cut off the yarn. I have to finish work, so keep it on back side. Using needle to see how does it look when we attach this. on both sides. So increase the length and size of your strap according to your requirement. I have made just to show you how does it look. So I hope you will like my pattern. So hope you will like my video. So keep watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.